Are you looking for a small humidifier for your home? Well, I have a recommendation for you today. Let me introduce to you the Levois home humidifier. This humidifier has multiple different sizes on Amazon, as well as smart and non-smart options. The tank is about 2 gallons. On the size we got, it's about a medium size. In terms of the features, it does have adjustable nozzles on top of here to make sure you have that mist going in whatever direction you want it to go. On the front, you have the LED display with the percentage of humidity that it's detecting at this position, as well as if it's cold or warm mist and how much mist is going to be coming out. You have your on-off switch, how much mist you would like to have coming out of the machine, set your humidity. You could set a timer to have it turn off at a specific time, whether it's warm or cold mist. And lastly, you can have the LED display turn off for nighttime mode. On the other side over here, you have a slot for essential oils if you want to add those in there for your home to be a little bit more scented. But yeah, it's actually a pretty simple device. We got the smart option, so you can control this with your phone via the app as well. I do recommend cleaning this about once a week at a minimum and using either RO or distilled water, that way you're not having any buildup in the machine. But yeah, I definitely recommend this device. It wasn't too terribly expensive. Like I said, we live here in the Las Vegas desert and we run it pretty much 24/7. And it hasn't had any issues in a 1.5 years that we have had it. So definitely a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.